Sniper Alex here. Hope everyone's been having a good year, staying safe. This has been a wild year to say the least. But thankfully, in the stock market, it has been as volatile as it gets. And that creates a lot of opportunities for the snipers when you're prepared. Today, I just want to dive into one of our main strategies that we are continuously playing on a week-to-week basis, where we're sending out real-time buy and sell alerts in our chat room. This one specifically is only for the morning. It's the OTC Panic Dip Buy. Really good strategy to maximize in a very short amount of time, but don't be fooled. It takes a lot of screen time, a long time to really master the strategy and get in at the right time at the right levels. So today I'm just going to give a very quick recap, but don't be mistaken, it's not that easy to get to this level where you know exactly where to get in, when to get out. But it's possible, and once you know it, these happen at least once a week. We traded the stock that I'm about to show you guys twice in the same week, the same exact pattern. So you're talking 5 to 10 times a month if you're patient enough for this strategy. When it arises, if you're ready for it, you can take advantage. And it's a very short amount of time, a quick outcome. It either happens or it doesn't. So let's dive in. It's an OTC, over-the-counter stock, Panic Dip Buy. Now, let me just dive into a little basics about the Panic before we go into the actual live footage, because I'm going to show you the live footage. But basically, it's a stock that's most likely overextended a couple green days in a row. You've seen it spike, a lot of volume gets sucked into it. 10, 15, $20 million has dumped into it on the way up. And, one morning, the stock just starts to go the opposite way. And the morning starts and it dips right away, and it's just contagious. It just drops out underneath it, and that creates a panic. A lot of people who are up a lot want to take profits. They don't see it going up anymore. They want to secure their profit, whether it be 50, 100%, whatever it is. They're selling. People who bought that day or the day before are down and they're selling. So it creates this whole, panic effect. And that creates an inefficiency in the market where you can actually take advantage of it in the short term, where the stock is so oversold. It creates a buying opportunity, and you can buy in, nail in the bottom, and watch the stock jump from literally the first minute. And this happens quickly. Our goal is around 15, 20% on our investment, and this is probably one of the quickest ways to get that. When you nail the bottom on a big panic, you can get that 15, 20% in a couple minutes, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. TNSP, OTC, Panic Dip Buy, overextended. The stock had a massive run up, and then it dipped in the morning. And when we say a dip, we're not saying 5, 10%. We want a stock to just get crushed minute after minute after minute. Red candle, red candle, red candle, at least 25, 30%, 40%. We're licking our chops. We're gonna want to buy a panic in the morning like that. OTC. So let's dive in. TNSP, classic OTC Panic Dip Buy. All right, so we're already in at 2.2. It panicked down. That was the support level. Let me note, it was a 40% drop from the open above 3 cents. It got to 3.75 in the morning and then just went straight down. If you're looking at the minute candles now, it is just red candle after red candle after red candle. And we got in on that first green candle that formed at 2.2. And that was the support from the day before. So we knew 2 cent area. We're looking at levels that, you have to see that they're going to hold. So we knew coming into the morning that 2 cents, 2.2, anywhere in that range, if it happened to dip all the way from almost 4 cents in the morning in the first couple minutes, great opportunity to buy in. So we got it 2.2, and we have our sell limit in already at 2.6, which is 15%. That's our goal. It's been 2 minutes. I can't even talk quick enough. We're already up 10% in the stock. So we have our limit set already at 2.6. That's 15%. It's been 2 minutes, and we're already up on our investment. So, that's our goal. Once it gets that push towards it, we set our limit. After a couple minutes, we're going to be patient, but ideally we want to see green candle after green candle, just the way it came down. If you're looking at the minute candles, you see, 7 to 10 red candles in a row. You want to see the bounce do the same. That'd be the perfect scenario, but, sometimes it doesn't work that way. some of the candles just be red, green, just staying in place, which happens, and that's okay as long as it's not cracking. But you can see right here, 5 minutes later, it starts to go higher, getting back above 2.5, and that's our goal. That 15 to 20% is our goal right there in 5 minutes. We set the limit right there, put it at 2.4, just to secure that it's going to take the bid wherever it's at the moment. So it got filled at like 251, I believe, and that's 15%. And boom, in 5 minutes, and that's the goal. That's the beauty of this. It happens so quick. You work so hard to put in all the preparation to find the stock, to have the plan before, and all it really takes is execution at the end of the day once you get in the situation and securing the bag. Yeah, sometimes this probably did go higher. We could have got 20-30% on it, but when you get that in such a quick time frame, it's you gotta be thankful for it. So we take that's our goal. If it would have to start to crack and go back down to 2, we had really good faith that 2 was going to be good support anyway, so we would have been able to get out in that 2-1 area and lose 5% on it. But that's the risk we take. But this is a very high probability strategy that comes up at least 2 or 3 times a week. If you're ready for it, you can take advantage of it. OTC panic dip buy, sky's the limit with this one. So hope you enjoyed it. Check out our YouTube for all the other strategies that we trade. We're trading in real time with real time buy and sell alerts on a pretty cool platform that's coming to you soon. So excited to talk about it and see you guys soon. Keep sniping, keep working hard. Let's get rich together. Peace, guys.